I'm designer Riche Holmes Grant, and I believe that no outdoor space is too big or too small to be the perfect oasis. This is Outdoor Upgrade.
I'm a nurse in the ICU.
And I'm working in the hospital in the third year.
Once we moved in, my boyfriend John and I both lost our jobs due to COVID.
Kirsten and Gabby have a nice neutral space, but it's sparse and flat, so we need to add height for visual volume.
I really want to give Erin everything she wants.
It's been an adventure, but it's really starting to look amazing out here.
Yes.
Oh, look at the fire pit! I am not easily impressed, guys, but you did a fantastic job.
I feel a lot more confident in my DIY skills now that I did that.
Everything that Richie sent, she hit the nail on the head.
We loved your vision. We loved how you brought everything together.
I just want to thank you again. It really meant a lot to both of us.